Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for August 16, 2011. We're taking a look at Urban, URBN. You can see we're gapping down this morning, coming into support level here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. We're going to look for a break below this 26. I would take this short around this 25.94 area, right in here. First profit target going to be around 25.70. So 25.70, 25.71. Take some profit. See if you can come down, test this 25.50 area, and then take a little bit more off. Look for a break below 25.50. Could come down into 25. That would be my final target on this. Next we have Baidu, gapping down this morning on the negative news about the fraudulent search results. Going to look for some more selling in this break down below this 140 area. Look to take this short under 139.64. So right about there. Take it short. Take your 1% profit target. Going to be right around this 138.75 area. Watch it at 139. Watch it there. It's going to have to break through down in this 138.75, and then leave a piece to come down into 138. Next we have Soda, SODA, gapping down this morning. You see the support level here. A little bit more support here. Look to take the short under 43.94. So we'll wait for a break below 44. Still plenty of money in this trade. 43.94. Take your first profit right around 43.46, 43.45. Leave some for 42.50, and then see if it can come down into 41.15, 41.20. Gonna have some support there. Probably gonna get a bounce there if you don't get a bounce here at 42.50, right in there. Next we have HSFT gapping up this morning. We're gonna look to take this long on a continuation move. Look for it to be strong. I would give it 2 to 3 minutes to close higher before taking this long. Don't chase it past 13. Try to get it between this 1280 to 1240 range. Look for higher highs. Take a small piece and then look for a pullback. Look for a higher low. Take your second half and then see if it'll push through to a new high of the day. 1% profit target from your entry, and then trail a stop on the rest. Next we have VRSK. Gapping up here, going to open between 34.20 and 34 area. Look for this to open above that 34 and then to make a higher high. Take it long over the open. It could pull back a little bit. Set your alert, and then you can come back and trade it when it breaks through. 1% profit target from your entry, and then trail the stop on the rest. I'm looking for this to be trendy and move up today. It could fail down into the gap, so it's possible that it would be a short trade, but I'm more interested with this on the long side. Next we're looking at PPDI. Gapping up, going to open probably over this 32 area, between 32 and 33. We're going to look for this to be strong again today. Going to take this long on a new high of the day off the open. Look for strong volume. This was a buyout candidate that was mentioned yesterday, but they had quite a bit of details and specifics about who was interested in some of the offers that were made. So I think this could have even a higher premium than this 32 area, and I'm going to look to trade this long. Watch for it to close the first couple minutes, moving up, or set your alert at the open. Could have a pullback down in this 31 to 32, below 32 area. Look for it to bounce and break the new high of the day. Take it long on that move. There could be more news today, so keep your eye out for that. 1% profit target again from your entry, and then trail a stop on the rest. Could get some good money on this, especially if a news comes out and it makes another big run. We had this a month or two back on another stock that had news 2 or 3 days in a row, and it kept giving spikes, so just watch for that. Next we have VIT, gapping down this morning, but it's gapping down into support level. I'm going to look for it to break up over 16, fill the gap. It's going to take it long over 1607. First profit target is going to be around 623, 620 to 623 area. Watch it there. Could turn over early. See if it can break through 1623. It could come up into 1650, and then the last target's going to be around 1680. Next we have WNC, gapping up this morning. Could open over 6, right around $6. We're going to look to take this long. Again, watch for strong volume and good buying on the open. Let's take a look at the 3-minute chart just to get an idea for volume. I would say look for about 60,000 shares in the first 3 minutes this morning. That's going to be solid volume. So about 20,000 per minute on the shares. If you get over 20,000 shares the first minute, you're going to be pretty good for the long side if this is moving up over 6. 1% profit target, so we're going to be looking for your first 6 to 7 cents on the move, so it should hit it pretty quickly. Take part of your trade off, move up your stop to break even, and then trail it. Could be some good money in this trade on the long side. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.